Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a fridge clean out / organization haul. I'm really excited about this. I just went to Target and Kroger weirdly, and I got a few pieces plus some food. So yeah, you guys are going to see what I eat in a day, just different foods that I buy. Today's kind of an odd day. Some days I need to get more ingredients than others, or if I run out of butter, or like if I'm baking, it just kind of depends. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in that, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm down in my kitchen right now. I am making zucchini. You can't even see. And this is like my meal prepping. I'm just gonna cook that on 400 for like 15-20 minutes. I'm not really sure. And then that is gonna be meal prep for tonight, dinner, and then 2 nights of work. And I try to do it every 2 nights because if I happen to eat out or if I want to like go get food or something after work, then I don't have like all this massive amounts of food. So that's a good tip. So some things I get is Chobani Flip. I just love these. I think they're really good. So I'm gonna put onions on it, garlic, lemon juice, tilapia, and then I'm gonna bake them. Also, this is my fit today. It's literally Gymshark and a big t-shirt. I keep tying it up, but it keeps coming undone. So as part of my haul, I got this lemon squeezer. I got it at Target. It's supposed to be really useful, so I'm gonna use it for lemon and limes, so that way I can just juice them really easy. I really want to make lemon water a lot more. I have like that manual juicer, which I didn't really like as much. So I'm gonna cut this and try it. I'm gonna put this on my tilapia. I'll let you guys know how that is. I don't know. Okay, so here's what I made. It's zucchini, onions, lemon juice, green peppers, garlic, and then tilapia. And I added, what did I add? I added like Mrs. Dash. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper after they've cooked a little bit longer. But yeah, so they look really good. Okay, now these are the healthy stuff that I got. Red lentil rotini. I've never actually gotten this before, but I just basically typed in protein pasta. 25 grams of protein. This would be so good with tomato sauce, chicken. If you're trying to up your protein. I got tilapia, of course. Tilapia I really like. I made like 4 of them right now. That's what I'm cooking now. I got protein granola because I have yogurt in my fridge that I'm going to use. I got Zevia. So these are like my really healthy sodas, I guess. They have stevia in them and literally no calories or anything. The only con to these that I've noticed is sometimes after I drink them I can taste stevia in the back of my throat, which is a little bit gross, but some people don't really care. Like I feel like I'm still drinking these, so I don't really care about that. But this is black cherry. I've never tried that, so I put one in the freezer to try. So I'm excited about that. And then I got oats. I really like the old-fashioned oats because they just seem to be thicker and just easier to work with. And then I got some grapes. I love grapes a lot. I got some lemons. I kind of already tossed all the bad stuff, things that have expired, but I'm gonna organize it a little bit so you guys get to see that. I bought these as well. I just love sweets so much, and I really just didn't want to just eat like shit all the time, so I bought Smart Sweets, and these have 100 calories for a bag, 70 milligrams of sodium, so there's a lot of sodium in them, no protein, 3 grams of sugars, which is insane for, sugary sweets. And I literally would eat like so much Sour Patches when I was younger. So then I got these. Mio Energy and Mio Sport. So I've never tried this, but I feel like that would be really good, a lemon lime flavor. And then this is caffeine and B vitamins. They have no sugars, no calories, 10 grams of sodium, and this one has 80 grams of sodium because it's for electrolytes. These are really good, especially in water. I really love that they taste really good. I honestly put like 2 squirts in. You're supposed to put like 1 squirt per 8 ounces, I want to say, or 1 squeeze. But I put a couple in. I feel like there's really no crash or anything after. So I also got these. They are just fruit bars. I like these when I'm sick or if I just really like want ice cream or something sweet. They're pretty good. They have like one bar has 9 grams of sugars, so it's not like an insane amount. No sodium. They have some vitamin C in them, but that's really good. So it's just a healthier alternative. I really love Kodak cakes. They're really good. I got them in blueberries. So when it comes to fruit, I always wash them off for sure. So I will dump all my blueberries out of here into a little strainer, and then I'm just gonna rinse them. I put some soap in there. Not a lot of soap because I don't want it to taste soapy, but I make sure I rinse it really thoroughly so that way it doesn't get on anything. So next I got baby spinach. I got this for my coffee. It's salted caramel but sugar free. I don't know if it's really good or not, I'm not gonna lie. I got grapes, I think I showed you that. So I got these organization trays. And then I got one for my eggs. They're super cute. I got this. I've never tried blueberry crisp, but I'm excited for it. It's a chocolate brownie. I love Clif Bars. And then I got a kind of like a bento box glassware. And then I got 2 plastic ones, so that way I can use them for meal prepping. And then I got a new lunchbox. I think it's super cute. Let's get started. Okay, so this is Acai Berry Storm. I'm excited to try this. It looks like grape Kool-Aid. Wow, that's pretty good. First thing first, I'm gonna do the eggs because this is the most exciting. There's 2 parts. This one has a lid, which is nice. So I guess it would make sense you have to have a lid, but I'm gonna stack this guy on top of this guy. You have to tear these so carefully so that way, and strategically, so that way you don't, you know. Wow, that one was perfect. Okay, so first I'm going to take the mini jar and I'm going to put all my salamis, cheeses in here. So this is how I organized my fridge. So I have dividers in here. This is my meal plan for the week. So it's Roma tomatoes, grapes, and then my fish and veggies. And then I have another one that's the fish and veggies with blueberries. And then I have my salad. So I'll probably do a salad with chicken Wednesday and Thursday. I put my eggs in here, all of my fresh fruit and veggies in here. These will be my cans and extra stuff. In here for little snack bags I have blueberries and tomatoes, and then more grapes. And then I just keep my grapes out so I can snack on them if I'm hungry. And then in here I have all my salami and cheese, my yogurts, cheeses, different dairy items. Pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. That was super fun. Please let me know in the comments below if you liked that video and if you want more organization tips and tricks. And I'll be sure to make those videos for you.